Calling all snack lovers, it's time to get crispy. First up we have, these goodies get their crunch from deep frying, making a golden brown crust that's oh so yummy. Think fried chicken, french fries, onion rings, tempura, and churros. Fun fact, double frying can make these treats extra crispy. Next we move to, sometimes you don't need oil to get that perfect crunch. Pizza crust, crackers, granola, and toasted bread can all be baked to crispy perfection. Pro tip, adding cornstarch to your batter can make baked goods even crispier. Now let's talk about light, airy, and bursting with crunch. These snacks are a favorite. Potato chips, popcorn, puffed rice, and pretzels are all great options. Did you know that the crunchier the snack, the more satisfying it is to eat because of the sound and texture? Finally, we have these foods are crunchy all on their own, no cooking needed. Apples, carrots, cucumbers, and nuts like almonds and cashews are naturally crisp and delicious. Fun fact, eating crispy foods can boost your alertness as the crunch sound stimulates the brain. So, there you have it, the ultimate guide to crispy foods. Happy crunching!